Hi, this is Nanda from EROTECH Solutions. Here I am explaining about PC based home automation system. This project have different modules. One is microcontroller unit and liquid crystal display with 16 cross 2 size, and this is one power extension I took for different modules, and two relay 5 volts modules I am using here to control two different loads. And coming to connections, which is very clear, so I took VCC ground to this extension board, and from here I'm connecting VCC ground to all other modules. So whereas relay module have 3 lines, VCC, ground and input line. VCC and ground I took from here. The relay input line I'm connected across pin number 2 for one relay module, and the other module have connected with pin number 4. And LCD connections, whereas VCC and ground first 2 lines, and RS enable starts from 6, 7 pins, whereas data lines connected across 8, 9, 10, 11. And this is the VCC ground lines. So this is about the physical connection between Arduino and X modules. And coming to the operation, so I'm going to start from beginning. So I'll just press reset button. You can watch the title of the project on the screen, which is PC based home automation. And now your screen is empty. So you can watch the title of the project on the screen. And coming to the operation, so I just connected USB cable with the PC. From here I'm going to give the inputs. So I have 4 different inputs to operate this. Whenever I am giving input A, so you can see the response, which is lamp on. The status of load I am just printing on the screen. And whenever I am giving input B, so load will be off. And coming to the second DC load, so I am giving input C to operate my DC fan. And to turn off DC load, I am going to give D input from the PC. And if you are expecting 2 loads at a time on, you can give the input N, so that the 2 loads will be on here. And whenever I am giving input O, 2 loads will be off. So this is the application with controller. And if you are interested with this project, you can contact us or with the number on the screen. Thanks for watching.